Good afternoon, students. Then last class we have completed till question number 12. Now this is your second class. Now I'm going to solve question number 13. Please open your textbook, page number 204. Question number 13. It is given here as observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse. All of you know what is lighthouse? As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse, from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. First, try to understand the question. To the diagram. See, there is students. Here they have given a lighthouse. So this is the lighthouse. Okay. It is given the height of the lighthouse is 75 meter. 75 meter. Okay. This is 75 meter. As observed from the top of the lighthouse, there are two ships. And it is given, it is not opposite side. It is given here. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side. Suppose the position of one ship is here, another is this one. Sea level, okay? Then angle of depression. See, if this is a sea level will become the ground level here. These are the two ships. Suppose the position of the ships are BC, clear? And when angle from this angle of depression, then you need the horizontal level, this one, and this line. This is the angle will be from this side, from this point, and this angle will be how much? 30 degree. And another angle from with respect to this horizontal level, this one means this whole angle, this whole angle is how much? This whole angle is 45 degree. I think all of you understood. Now you can see one thing clearly. This horizontal level and this ground level, they are parallel to each other. So you can write, if this point, if you denote as means AD will be the height of the lighthouse, then AC will be the transversal. Yes. Then this angle, if this angle is 45 degree, if AC is transversal, alternate angles are equal. Interior alternate angles, no? Alternate interior angles. This one. This is interior alternate angles. Understood this one? 45 degree. Now similarly, if you are taking, actually this angle is 30, okay? This whole angle means this 45. This angle will be equal to this angle. This is how much? 30 degree. I think all of you understood this one. Now what do you need? You need to find the distance between these two ships. Okay. Let's see the explanation. Let AD be the lighthouse. B and C are the position of the ships. Clear? Position of the ship. Clear? This is ships. Now we can see there are two right triangles. One is ADC. Don't forget we need to find out the length of BC. Distance, that means. So if you compare first if you start triangle ADC first, in triangle ADC, first you try to compare the perpendicular and base. Okay, means if you use tan 45 degree here, tan theta is equal to what? P by B. It means AD by DC or CD. So this I have written tan 45 equal AD by CD. The value of tan 45 is 1, AD by CD. The value of AD also given, height is how much? 75 by CD. That means if you cross multiply, you will get CD is equal to 75. After getting the value of CD, now if you use triangle ADB and if you use the same ratio, then you will get BD. After getting BD, you minus CD from BD, you will get BC. Yes or no? So now use triangle ABC, ABD. So in triangle ABD, now use tan 30 perpendicular by base. That means perpendicular upon base means AD by BD in this case. The value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AD will be 75 and BD is what? BC plus CD. I can write like this also. Now put the value of CD here directly. CD is 75. Now cross multiply BC plus 75 is equal with 1, you'll get BC plus 75, then 75 with root 3, 75 root 3. Now if you transfer this 75 on the right hand side, that is 75 root 3 minus 75. Now take common 75, what you will get? Root 3 minus 1. Then you get BC is equal to 75 root 3 minus 1. This distance BC, and this will be the answer. Therefore, the distance between the two sieves is 75 root 3 minus 1. Clear? Next question. Now question number 16. In this question, it is very interesting question. See, it is given the angles of elevation of the top of the tower. You can see the angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base. Try to understand the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points. One at a distance of 4 meter and another is 9 meter from the base of the tower, and in the same straight line which are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. Maybe you are thinking that in this question they have not given the angles directly, but they have said one sentence here, in the same straight line with it are complementary. The angles are complementary. They form complementary. Complementary means 90 degree. Okay. So here one need to find out. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. Means you need to prove the height of the tower is 6 meter. You need to prove. The answer is 6. Suppose this is the height of the tower. You can see the figure clearly. Suppose this is A, C. Clear? Now there are 2 points. Suppose one point is here, another point is here. According to question, one point is from 4 meter distance. So this is 4 meter. If you join this, suppose this one is B and this one is D. If this one is 4 meter, then BC will be, according to the question, this is 9 meter. Okay, angle of elevation means from point D and also from, this is B. Okay, don't get confused. This is, don't get confusion, this is B. Okay, then these angles are complementary. So you can take, one you take theta and another you take 90 minus theta. Now maybe you are thinking it will make complementary. Yes, if you add these two, theta plus 90 minus theta, then minus theta plus theta cancel. What is left? 90. Yes or no? That is correct. Now we need to prove that the height AC will be how much? 6 meter. Okay. Let AC be the tower. So here these bases are given. Perpendicular is the P and B. So use trigonometry. This is ratio 10. So in triangle ADC, 90 minus theta is there. So 10, 90 minus theta is AC by CT. In exercise 8.3, actually this one, it is there in chapter 8. 8.3, exercise 8.3. That exercise is removed, but I have told you the formulas that sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. I repeat once again, sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Like this you got. Then if you remember, then tan 90 minus theta, in the place of tan 90 minus theta you can write what? Cot theta easily. And AC you don't have the value, but DC we have how much? 4. So this one is number 1. Clear? Again in triangle ABC or ACB, if you use trigonometry, tan theta I am using. Same ratio, that is AC by now BC. The value of BC is 9. Tan theta equal AC by 9. What do you need? You need the value of AC. Now you have to do simplification. If you multiply number 1 and 2, now 1 and 2, that means left hand side cot theta into tan theta, right hand side AC by 4 into AC by 9. Cot theta into tan theta, you can write the reciprocal. What is cot? 1 by cot theta. Tan theta in the place of tan theta, you can write 1 by cot theta. Then AC square 4 9 36. This side only 1. If you cross multiply, you will get AC square equal to 36. And square root of 36 is 6. That means you got AC is equal to 6. That means the required height is 6 meter. It's correct. Understood, all of you? Okay. So this exercise is a 16 question. Today I have done a decision 16 number question, question number 16, that means. So some of the questions you need to do by yourself. In case any doubt, already I told you that if in case any doubt, you ask me immediately. I am now active. You can call me in case any doubt. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you. Those days you are having 2 classes, so you will get 2 videos according to your class timing. Okay, and those if you have not given the attendance through WhatsApp, please give it now in my WhatsApp. Okay, don't forget every day to give your attendance, both the sections, in my WhatsApp, your attendance. Okay, section A and section B both. So as a homework, many questions are there you need to solve by yourself, but as a homework you have to show me question number 11, 14 and 15. Other questions also you need to solve, but this one you have to show me as homework. During the clarification hours, please submit your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.